But we are still having the same notion at least. Why we are looking for these things? Suppose if that world is not there, that situation is not there, why it should come in the mind? Just like suppose we are going in the evening and on the path we find a rope, and seeing the rope in the little darkness, we think, oh, this may be a snake. Why we think of snake? If snake would not be there at all, there is no snake at all, would we have thought of snake? No, because but originally snake is there, that's why we are thinking of the snake. So the original world is there with unalloyed happiness. And we are of the same nature. We are spiritual being. The soul is spiritual. Soul is it is internal energy. The Lord has got three energies: internal energy, external energy, and marginal. So the soul is a marginal energy of the Lord. But it is spiritual.